Hi guys, it's Liv, Prolific Paper. I'm back for August 2021. So for this month, I am doing my A4 DIY planner. So what happened was at the beginning of the year, I decided just to decorate my monthly spreads. So that's why I ended up doing this and wanted to continue it for the entire year. And in June, I came across a bullet journal challenge and I felt like I needed a little bit more motivation. So that's why I did the bullet journal as well. So I started off first by thinking about the kind of theme that I wanted to do for August. So I was thinking, what do you do in August? You normally go to the beach or have some kind of summer holiday. So I was looking through my stash and I had these, squared Japanese papers, origami papers. They had various colours, so I thought I might as well use that, and I liked the blue and yellow, and then as a kind of a bright colour, because I was thinking blue, yellow, pink at the time. And when I started off, I thought, ooh, actually it could work out like the yellow is the sand and the blue is the water. The ones with the girls lying down on the beach and the donut almost look a little similar to the Happy Planner donut stickers. I think some of them are called Squad Life sticker book. So I have the Rosie Studio die cuts, the Skins Summer sticker book, a random cutout from a magazine flyer thing, and then some random kind of scrapbook paper / origami paper that I used for this layout. So it's pretty simple in the end, and I love that whole beach vibe about it. There you have it, my August 2021 monthly layout. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more planner videos.